Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to hide the share count on your Instagram Reels. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. At the top of your profile, tap the plus icon. From the drop-down menu, select Reel. A new screen will open, showing all the photos and videos on your device. Choose the video you want to post as a reel. Next, you can add music, text, or stickers to your video, then tap Next. On the next screen, scroll down and tap More Options at the bottom. A new screen will appear where you'll find a toggle switch to hide share count on this reel. Turn it on, and now others won't be able to see how many times your reel has been shared. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.